So, we got rice, hot dogs, fried chicken,
and bread.
And some of the kids are over basically after school, dinner time. Dinner time's around 6 p.m. here. And we don't do this every night, but we do it. Well, we do it when we can. Movie. I'm doing a movie. Just a few kids over. And we have snacks here that I buy, junk food, potato chips and things like that, and the kids get those, and they're school snacks, we call them. They're not healthy, but that's how it is. A little bit won't kill you, I don't think. You guys are getting fat at Hope House, aren't you? You're getting fat at Hope House, gaining weight. I think we got enough food to feed more kids if some more of them want to come over. Well, probably be some more come over. There's Renalyn. There's the dog, a dog. No more kids. Wow, you guys kept this a pretty good secret, huh?